Hello everyone. Today we solve this type of interesting problem. How to solve it? Let's check. Solution. Two to the power x into 4 to the power x is equal to 18. Then 2 to the power x into 4 we split 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x is equal to 18. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. We apply here. 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2x is equal to 18. Another one, exponential formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We apply here. Then 2 to the power x plus 2x is equal to 18. Then 2 to the power 3x is equal to 18. Then taking log on both sides. Log 2 to the power 3x is equal to log 18. Yes. We know log a to the power b is equal to b log a. Then 3x log 2 is equal to log 18 we split 2 into 9. Another one is log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. 3x log 2 is equal to log 2 plus log 9. Then divided log 2 on both sides. Yes. Then log 2 cancel, log 2 cancel. Then 3x is equal to 1 plus log 9 we split 3 to the power 2 divided log 2. Then 3x is equal to 1 plus, here we apply this, then 2 log 3 by log 2. Then log a by log b is equal to log a base b. Then 3x is equal to 1 plus 2 log 3 base 2. X is equal to, will be divided 3 on both. Then 1 plus 2 log 3 base 2 divided 3. This is the value of x. Let's verify, is it correct answer or wrong? Let's verify. This is our value. Then 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x is 18. Then 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2x is 18. Then here 2 to the power 3x means x plus 2x is equal to 18. We put that value. 2 to the power 3 into 1 plus 2 log 3 base 2 divided 3 is equal to 18. Then numerator and denominator 3 will be cancelled. Yes. Then 2 to the power 1 plus 2 log 3 base 2 is equal to 18. Then here 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power log 3 base 2. This will be the power 2. Be the power. Then is equal to 18. We know a log b base c is equal to log b to the power a, then it is base c. we apply here. Then 2 to the power 1 into log A B is equal to B. Log A log B base A is equal to B. Then 2 log 3 to the power 2 base 2, it is 3 to the power 2 is equal to 18. Then 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 is 9 is equal to 18. 9 into 2, 18 is equal to 18. Both LHS is equal to RHS. We proved. Then the value of x is correct. Yes, the value of x is correct. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of interesting video. Thank you.